guys, this is gonna be a server open up. I just made a server.
Jeff's here, honey. He's gonna work on the
what?
basement first.
Okay, this is a server. Oh, seriously, I just broke my own sign. How pleasant. It's called Supercraft. Welcome to Supercraft. Like that. And then, yeah. Welcome to Supercraft. No griefing, hacking, or modding. Do /parkour to play parkour. Do /spleef to do spleef. Hunger Games is next to do HG1 for first arena. Hunger Games area 1. Hunger Games 2 for area 2. Hunger Games 3 for area 3. 16 people. 12 people can be in each. And then have fun, play with friends. Do /respond to respond back here. Do /creative to go to a creative world of your own. And made by Fair2344, aka SoloBoy234 on YouTube. Also /survival to play on your own survival world. Do super arena to battle mobs in an arena. It's one big arena to let you go, and there's allowed 5 people, and there's allowed to be 115 people on this server. Well, maybe 100. Okay, I'm gonna be an admin, and my friends will be off. Enchantment table. I got my stuff in armor. So yeah, that's a server open up.